Hello friends, today I will show you how to install YouTube on PC. You have to click on Chrome browser or any other browser you have. Then you have to type YouTube. Let's enter. Then you have to click on first link. When YouTube open, please wait for it. When it completely open and tab, then I will show you how to install YouTube. It's open now, and click on these three dots and click on install YouTube and click on install. Boom, you have installed YouTube. This is my Chrome browser, which I will show you. Turn off. This is my YouTube. Here you can see it. I can minimize it. Here you can see this is my YouTube installed on my Windows